from Tirupur and Karur districts had sent a request to release water from Amaravati Dam for irrigation. In response to the request, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is ordered to release water from Amaravati Dam from 10th January 2012. As a result, 54,637 acres of irrigation land from Karur and Tirupur districts will be benefited. Tributes have been pouring in for the political leader Sukumaran Nambiar. Nitin Gadkari and other prominent BJP leaders paid homage to the senior leader today.
Sukumar Nambiar was the great worker and leader of the party. He contributed for the expansion of the party in Tamil Nadu. At the same time, he contributes in national level also as a treasurer. He was very much committed for the party and the ideology. Many times related to many economic issues and foreign affairs issues, he always tried to help me. His great contribution to the party, we never, it's a great loss for the party now. I particularly from my national party give my condolences for his family and for all the party workers in Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha has ordered 9 crore grant to be given for textile park in Tamil Nadu so as to increase the investment in textile industry and to improve the livelihood of weaver. In order to release and monitor the fund, a committee will be set up under the Director of Handlooms. Malayalam publication stalls have been asked to be closed by May 17th as one of Kerala's mainstream newspaper, Malayalam Manorama, was the first one that spread the unnecessary rumour in the 1970s that revolved around Mullai Periyar Dam today. The license which was given to Malayalam Manorama has now been asked to be cancelled, and the broad masses have also requested to join in making a representation to Bapasi. AUBCT Kalam Centre of Excellence, a high-tech research and emerging technology development hub, has been opened in Thoraipakkam. It is in collaboration with Anna University and is said to be a big boon to the students and the IT community. Being a shared-use, educational, research and development facility, it will develop solutions that are all set to automate the university's processes and also shed more light on the new innovative technologies. Congress sources say they are not under pressure of the deadline set by ally NCP leader Sharad Pawar. The NCP wants to contest no less than 65 seats, but the Congress is not willing to offer more than 50. NCP Chief Sharad Pawar had given an ultimatum to the Congress. The deadline ends today. Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan is in Delhi to sort out the seat-sharing squabble with the Congress High Command. The Maharashtra Congress has hit back Sharad Pawar, saying he should first look at his party's numbers before issuing ultimatums. Meanwhile, the NCP has said that Pawar just wanted to clarify matters. He wasn't issuing an ultimatum.
अल्टीमेटम बिल्कुल नहीं दिया है। समय रहते जो भी समझौता करना है, जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग करनी है, वो समय रहते हुए किया जाए। और चूंकि चुनाव की घोषणा हो चुकी है, सारी पार्टियां तैयारी कर रही हैं, तो सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए, समय मिलना चाहिए, ताकि हम चुनाव में सही ढंग से चुनाव लड़ सकें।
A day after politics and drama over the Election Commission's order to cover Chief Minister Mayawati's statues in Uttar Pradesh, the authorities in Lucknow and Noida are getting ready to drape these statues. The District Magistrate of Lucknow received the Election Commission's order last evening. Apart from covering Mayawati's statues, the order also asks for draping statues of elephants in Ambedkar paths. The elephant is, of course, the BSP's election symbol.
We are here in front of the Rashtriya Dalit Prerna Sthal in Noida, where a mammoth exercise is going to be undertaken to cover up the Mayawati statues and elephant statues according to the Election Commission's directive. We are joined by Mr. Anand Arya. He's a petitioner in the case which had been filed in the Supreme Court, protesting against the fact that this park should not be constructed over here because it's disturbing the green cover in the area. Sir, since you have been involved in the case related to this park right from the beginning, and now the Election Commission's directive, which is coming right ahead of the Uttar Pradesh elections, do you feel this is a delayed action by the Election Commission? Because a lot of people are coming up with such reactions.
Well, our case was essentially against the disturbance to the environment and the felling of 9,000 trees. So essentially, and the other issues like that this was going to be full of elephants. Somehow or the other, the elephants were not on the perspectives presented to the Supreme Court. Probably the decision may have been a little different had these been shown specifically. The amount of money, of course, this is something, it's a mammoth amount which has been spent, which especially the state of Uttar Pradesh, which is among the poorest of all the other states in the country, can ill afford.
2 days after murdered teen Arushi's father was asked to face trial along with his wife for allegedly murdering their 14-year-old daughter, the Supreme Court said that Rajesh Talwar will remain on bail but has to appear before the trial court on February 4th. On Friday, the Supreme Court had rejected a separate petition filed by the Talwars against the Ghaziabad court order that made the couple accused in the case. Arushi was found dead with her throat slit in their Noida apartment in May 2009. The next day, the Talwar's domestic help Hemraj was discovered dead on their terrace.
राजेश तलवार ऑलरेडी बेल पर हैं। नीचे जो निचली अदालत है उससे राजेश तलवार अभी भी बेल पर हैं। कोर्ट ने बेल को बरकरार रखा। बेल जो कि तो है वो राजेश तलवार बेल पर हैं और कोर्ट ने आदेश दिया है कि 4 फरवरी को वो निचली अदालत में पेश होंगे। यह आदेश है।
Supreme Court has granted interim bail to former Union Minister Shukram, who surrendered and was sent to jail to undergo 3-year term in the 1993 telecom scam. Court also granted interim bail to co-accused former bureaucrat Runu Ghosh and Hyderabad-based businessman P. Rama Rao. The court has issued notice to CBI on the regular bail. Innovative Margari season craze coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.